Lawful permanent residents can now receive their temporary evidence of their lawful permanent resident status by mail rather than physically visiting a field office to receive a temporary stamp in their passport. Also known as the ADIT stamp, which is an Alien Documentation, Identification, and Telecommunication stamp, also known as the I-551 stamp, also known as the temporary green card stamp. Those who really know it are those people who filed to renew their green cards and needed to travel and didn't have the renewal of their green cards. The other people who know these stamps very well are people who have a conditional green card and their conditional green card expired and they filed the I-751 to remove the conditions of their permanent residence, and the extension on that notice was already expired and they don't have a decision on their I-751, and they would have to go down and wait in line all day long to get a temporary stamp in their passport so they can work or they can travel. Well, now, thank God, USCIS has entered, I don't even want to say the 21st century, hopefully the 20th century, because you don't have to go wait online anymore. They're going to do it through the mail. You can call up immigration on their 1-800 number, and if you need a temporary stamp in your passport to travel or to work because you're renewing your I-90, your green card, because you have a pending citizenship and your green card expired, because you have this I-751 extension going on forever, immigration will take the information over the telephone and then mail you a temporary ADIT stamp, a temporary I-551 stamp that you can use to travel, work, etc., rather than taking the entire day off and waiting online and praying you would get it. Now, some people will still have to go do the wait online thing, and those are people who can't, readily identify themselves, prove their identity. Those where immigration has a question on whether or not you are a green card holder or have a pending citizenship or there's some issue with your case. Those with criminal records may need to go down. And those who need to travel on an emergency basis, because obviously immigration is not going to be able to mail you the extension immediately. But that saves so much time for so many people. So I'm glad, at least in this particular case, the Immigration Service has, come, I don't want to say up to 2023. This is like 1990 technology. Call on the phone and we put it in the mail to you. But it's certainly better than 1950 where they tell you, come wait online. There's no other way to do it. So we're getting closer. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.